Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak using an air fryer. First, select a steak cut like ribeye or sirloin, ideally about 1 inch thick. Pat the steak completely dry with paper towels. This helps achieve a great sear. Then, season both sides generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any other desired spices or a steak rub. This simple preparation ensures maximum flavor. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by preheating your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. This ensures even cooking and a good crust. Lightly brush or spray the air fryer basket with a high smoke point oil to prevent the steak from sticking. Carefully place your seasoned steak into the preheated basket, making sure it lies in a single layer without overcrowding. After the initial cook, open the air fryer and carefully flip your steak. Continue cooking for another 4 to 6 minutes for a perfect medium rare, aiming for an internal temperature of 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. For medium, target 140 degrees. Always use a reliable meat thermometer to ensure your steak reaches your preferred level of doneness. Once your steak is cooked to perfection, remove it from the air fryer and place it on a cutting board. It's crucial to let it rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period allows the delicious juices to redistribute throughout the meat, resulting in a much more tender and flavorful bite. Finally, slice your steak against the grain and serve it immediately with your preferred accompaniments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.